Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We will discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. This week, risk aversion is setting the tone on financial markets. Investors are alarmed by a surge in the infection rates around the world. The US reported the biggest increase in the new coronavirus cases since the early stage of the pandemic. Markets are watching most countries reimposing restrictive measures. Logically, Washington is likely to follow this example. Meanwhile, the US authorities reiterate that the second shutdown is out of the question. Nevertheless, the US dollar is vigorously winning back losses amid the risk-off mood. Its index has already rebounded to the level where it opened on Monday. So how does the technical picture look like on Forex on the back of the changes in trading sentiment? Let's find out from our expert Petar Yakimovic. Hi Petar.
Hello there traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that euro is still basically in the kind of consolidation, but my analysis from the previous week is still valid basically, and I still expect euro higher in the next period. And my reason for that is basically because the daily time frame is still, we are still in the upward trend on the euro dollar, and I didn't saw any big reversal pattern yet. So basically, I'm expecting that for the period of consolidation, that euro can continue higher towards the levels of the 1.1325 and eventually 1.1410. I also found there is a rejection from the daily 20 exponential moving average, and that critical support on the euro dollar is set to the 1.1165 and 1.150. So again, watch for, in my opinion, the upside is preferable, and buying a dip seems like a legit strategy according to current condition. So again, my expectation for the euro is for upside. Euro may test the recent swing low on the daily time frame, but anyway, I think that area will produce even more and bring more buyers onto the market. So again, uptrend on the euro, and we are right now trying to establish that bottom on the daily time frame.
We noticed that the pound-dollar pair has been trading in line with your expectations.
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is a basically, we got exactly what I expected basically last week. So we got a clear rejection of that supported time mark in the background and good rally, 2-day rally after that rejection. Basically, the pound decided to sell off a few days ago. And basically, I think that there is still chance for a further upside move, because I see the pound dollar, there is a potential completion of the ABC downward correction. And basically, everything is in form of the 50 to 61.8% retracement. So it's still in the norm of the correction. And I'm expecting further upside towards the 1.2545 and 1.2650. The key support, in my opinion, on the British pound versus US dollar is set at a price of 1.2340.
Could you please comment on the standoff between the two safe haven currencies, I mean the dollar-yen pair?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, basically, price reached our downward target since my previous analysis, because we did target the 106 zone. Basically, what the USD did is went to test that zone around 106 level and got a very, very strong rejection and outside up day. And we got a 2 days in a row upside move. Anyway, the resistance is set at the price of 107.60. And I will be very careful if for any long positions, because we are near the eventual resistance around 107.60. I still expect further downside and eventual retest of 106 again. No indications for that reversal yet, but I will watch for some kind of topping activity, maybe watching for divergences on the 4-hour time frame, 8-hour time frame, watching for 1 day to make a lower low, lower high, day-to-day relation, and that may signal the potential topping activity and eventual retest of 106 level again.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.